Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Mustang and I will show you which fuse and which relay to check in case you're having problems with the starter. This video will apply to Ford Mustangs made from 2010 all the way up to 2014. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. In case your Mustang is not starting and you don't hear even the clicking noise when turning the key in the ignition, make sure to check the fuse and the relay before you decide to replace the starter. Both the starter fuse and the relay will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood right here. Now to remove the cover, just press this black tab here and lift it up. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and right here all the relays and fuses. Starter fuse, it's a 30 amp fuse located right here, and starter relay, it's relay number 52, which is in the upper right corner. Now the best way to test the relay is using multimeter. If you don't have one, you can try to replace it with one of the same kind and see if it makes a difference. If it does, just buy a new relay and replace it. If both of these are good, then you want to dig a bit deeper. You want to test if the power is coming to the starter, you want to check the wiring, and you want to inspect the grounds. If everything is good, then most likely the starter failed, which actually happens quite often. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.